Hey guys, let's jump into this video. I am using strap wood that I found in the garage. I am going to cut that strap pieces of wood a little longer than my cabinet pulls, which are 7 3/4. Right here, my honey is cutting the side piece that is needed to flush up against the cabinet. Okay guys, here I am attaching all the wood pieces together with nails to create the actual jig. Okay guys, now I attach the jig to the cabinet using my clamps to hold the jig in place while I use my drill to drill the holes. That's it, I'm all done. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, be safe.